how to install Microsoft Teams on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to use Microsoft Teams on it, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily get and install the Microsoft Teams on your iPhone 12. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Then click on the search button at the bottom right and search for Microsoft Teams. Then click on the search button. Once you hit the search button, you see the Microsoft Team comes up. Go ahead and click on that. Then tap the get button. Once you hit the get button, then hang on. Then you see what that says app install. Tap install button from the pop. Then go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. Once you type your Apple ID password, go ahead and click on sign in. And then hang on. Wait until the App Store confirmed your Apple ID password. Then you should hear a chime, and then you see what that says require password for additional purchases on this device. If you want to, just click on always or require after 15 minutes. Then hang on while your Microsoft Team app is downloaded, and then you're going to see how long it's going to take you to download and install the Microsoft Team app on your phone. And instantly, you should see the Microsoft Team added to your app icons or apps on the app screen. Now, once the installation process is completed, you can either click on the open button here or go to your iPhone app screen and then click on Teams to open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone 12. Then can you go ahead and sign in. So that's basically how to install Microsoft Teams on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.